I'm probably the most excited person in the world to have found this product. Between dyes, I was wanting root touch-ups and that just like wasn't in my budget. So I'm like, man, I just wish they had a spray like dry shampoo, and voila. This helps me go a little bit longer between colors and it helps me save a lot of money, which I'm so excited about. And it's so easy to use. You just spray on and it comes right out when you shampoo it. So it's amazing and it's full coverage. So it's great. You just literally shake.
Just part your hair and apply to the areas that need it. Obviously, you can see my hair has grown out since the last time I went to the salon, but you just spray this in right around the hairline and vanish the grays instantly. You would never know that I'm using a spray can to do this. You would think that I had just left the salon, but the coverage is unreal. Check it out, how great it matches. I absolutely love it and it saves so much time.
Yeah, so away we go. I am so excited I found it. You can barely tell I have any grays and it adds a little bit of texture to my hair. So definitely worth purchasing. You can get it at their Shopify store and you can also call them if you need to. So here's all their information.